What's up, friends? I'm the Covert Crow and welcome back to the channel. What do we got today? I'm unboxing Randolph Engineering Archer 002 sunglasses. Roll intro. Thanks to DHL for getting this thing to me real fast, like lickety-split, less than 72 hours from order to front door. Here we go. Full package, still sealed up as you can see. So you're gonna experience it with me. Rather plain box. Sharp looking box. Randolph Engineering Archer 002. Square aviator lens style. Polarized sunglass. Welcome to Extraordinary. Nice little pamphlet. Made for those who see things differently. But in the interest of dramatics, coveted by Navy pilots, independents, explorers, icons with a point of view unlike any other, made to endure for a lifetime or two, and purpose-built for a higher standard. Yours. Welcome to Extraordinary. Ooh, damn! Nice little Randolph pouch. Sharp leather, signed. Beautiful looking case. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Now there you have it, the unboxing of the Randolph Engineering Archer reference AR002. She is gorgeous, and I'm telling you, this might end up being my go-to pair of sunglasses for 2022. Let me tell you, they're that nice. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss the next video, and you're gonna like the next video. Do me a favor and follow me on Instagram if you like. Drop me a comment, leave me a question, concern, whatever it might be. Thanks for all the support and keep coming back to the channel. The Randolph Engineering Archer, reference AR002, coming to you soon. Full review. See you on the next one.